Hey guys, Legorath here and welcome to a new episode of Mist Survival. You're gonna have to excuse my voice today because I'm a bit under the weather. I'm running out with a cold, I think. It's not, whoa, it's not COVID. I've tested negative, so that's all good. But yeah, kind of have some kind of a cold, probably from the kids because both kids are sick today. Um, First thing I want to do is I want to be able to upgrade our workbench because as you know from last episode, I flipped the pickup truck. Yep. So since I flipped the pickup, we need the jack, which we can build already, but the other thing we need is weapons. We need to be able to make the hunting rifle from the broken rifle we have. So, yep, sorry, we're just gonna do that. There we go, it's upgraded. Oh wow, 16 components. But that's gonna give us the hunting rifle. But now, we need quite a lot of stuff. Okay. How am I doing? Oh, that's bad. Well, that's not too bad. I think my sledgehammer also is in the pickup. Okay. The other thing I want to do is I want to get started on the garage because we now have the SUV. Hi, Scott. And we also have Gion. So I think I'm gonna put the tuning garage right about here. Oh wow. Please allow me to see how it's gonna look. Is this going to be good? Like that? Let me see. Let me walk around. So we're gonna have some room to walk around the back. I think it's good. So we will need, I think, a lot of concrete. Oh wow, 60 concrete. 30 concrete bags. One blueprint, which we get from the Berserker, and 8 components. Okay. I think we're going to be able to put the concrete right away. Well, at least the concrete we have. Where's... Oh, I cannot put them all. Too much weight. What's weighing me down so much? Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Oh, the shotgun is weighing me down. Now, can I take... Yep, I can take the concrete back, but I cannot run. It's all good. So we might want to go to the industrial district, but for that I need the pickup truck. Okay, that's good. So we started building that. Good. Okay, now I want my weapons. Let's put the shoddy here. Let's put the axe here. Let's put this back here. Do I have room in the fridge for the apple? Nope. And how are you doing, Leo? You need some food, boy. Let's give you the steak. How am I doing? I'm still good. Want a good big steak, boy? There you go. Take that steak, boy. Good boy. Okay. No friends here? Nope. Okay. So, where should I go to get some metal scrap? Let's take this little SUV for a ride. We're back here. Why are we back here? Because I want to go at the back there. I want to make sure I've got all of the scrap metal and the components from here. Is there anybody home? I mean, it doesn't look like anybody is home. Well, let's try a drive-through, boy. You don't see anybody, don't you? No, I don't either. Because I think there's a couple of houses we didn't hit around here. So we're just gonna take a quick look at them. Did I hit this one? Hello? Any loot back here? Nope, we did hit it. Yep. What about this car here? Oh, fuel. Let's fill this in. I'm almost full on fuel. Let's back it up. Next house. Did I hit the one on the right here? Oh, I think I did it because of the friends and it was raining if I remember correctly. But now, for the friends. Leo, go. Good boy. Good boy. Let's take this. What are you doing, Leo? You're eating faces? Hi. Don't touch Leo. Is there anybody else, Leo? Oh, come on. I wanted scrap metal. Not scrap metal, but electronic parts. Good boy. No electronic parts, but a good boy. So, we clearly didn't hit this house. Oh no, we didn't. That's for sure. I would not have left components and ammunition. Okay, this is good. Water, not too bad. I'm actually a little bit thirsty, so let's drink this. Ah, my nose is so stuffed. It's so bad. It's like allergy season all over again, but we're in fall. Bottles. We could always use some bottles for the mollies we're going to do in the future. Firewood, why not? Kind of starting to get low on firewood. Anything here? Nope. Bullets, that's always good. Detergent. Gonna use that in the future. Drinks. Something here? Nope. Let's open this. Oh, nothing here. Cannot pick the pencil. Just gonna unload a few things into the back of the SUV. You didn't even give me any electronic parts. So that. Let's put the rabbits. All of the ammunition. Good. Let's go back at it. So let's take the pencil, even though we have plenty of those. I do have my crowbar on me. There we go. Oh wow, that's actually pretty good. My jeans were wearing down, and so was my shirt. So that's a good exchange. Nail polish. I thought at first it was gloss or lipstick, but it's nail polish. Yep, I'm good on girls' things. Nothing? Really? Oh, pistola. We're gonna be able to use that to get some components and scrap metal. Okay, I'm actually glad we came back here. That was quite nice. Hey boy, what do you say? How's my inventory doing? Still have some room. Nothing here. Oh, a lot of fuel. Let's put some fuel back in here. Fill the tank. Let's cancel this. Why not take a moment to put a few things in the back. The lower is not gonna stack. This is not going to stack. This won't stack anymore. Really sorry about that. Really? It's already better? Wow. Well, yeah, really sorry about the nose, but it is what it is. It's cold season. And when you have kids at school, they bring all sorts of things back from school. Oh yes, exactly what I need. Even more exactly what I need. That's awesome. Don't think I need that anymore. Nothing to take here. You're empty. Oh, you do have some fuel though. There we go. What about inside? Nothing. Maybe I did loot the cars because the friends are not on the outside. Though I wouldn't have left all of this. So yeah, last time in the comments someone mentioned that the fact that we had problems with the crowbars in the house was probably because of the loot refresh. Thanks for the insight, but I've never hit loot refresh, not even once, since the beginning of the game. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was glitched. I'm probably just going to go and take a look when we're going to come back home to see if the issue is fixed. So now I need to take a left here. Pretty sure we did loot those two. I'm almost certain about that. Not sure we did this one though. Let's go take a quick peek. Hi. Are you still hungry, boy? Are you still hungry? Okay, that's a lot of fuel. Nope, definitely did not hit this house. Lots and lots of firewood. Oh, concrete block. Okay, we're gonna have to put someone in the back of the truck. Man, I'm getting way overloaded. That's actually a good problem. Just give me a moment. Sorry, had to blow my nose. That's something that's gonna happen a lot today. But I still wanted to get an episode out, so that's why I'm here. Because it's been almost a week. And I don't want to keep you guys waiting for more than a week for an episode. I mean, you've been giving me so much support. I'm so grateful about that. So I need to keep the music going. The show must go on. Didn't think this would turn out into a looting episode, but don't worry guys. As soon as I have the jack, we're gonna go and take the pickup truck. We're gonna go and do awesome things. Oop, that's a bottle. And I missed a bottle there. I cannot climb because I'm too heavy. But you can jump, can't you, boy? Oh, components. Missed that. And now I'm too fat. Let's drop the cheaty rabbits. What's weighing me down? This is heavier than that. Can I run that? Was there a cola? Oh wow, that cola is actually pretty bad. Let's drink it. Let's put the logs here. Not the logs, but the firewood. Wanted to check behind this. Nothing here. Double doors. Anything here? Oh yes, a lot of scrap metal. That again. Lashings. Not a real bucket. That's actually quite a nice place. I mean, having a place like that in real life would be really good. Looks pretty, calm, relaxing. Okay, boy, you ready to eat some faces? Have a snack, boy. Come on, boy. I said have a snack. Go get him. Hi. Bye. Eat his face, boy. Not his butt. Wow, you slid all the way back there. Okay. That's actually some pretty good loot, but not what I want. Who am I to complain about loot? I mean, loot is loot, right? Oh, I miss my pickup. I miss my truck so much. Okay, let's drop the clothes. Why not? Let's put this here. This does weigh a lot. Anything else I can stack around here? Oh, that. Logs are all stacked up. I didn't lose that, did I? I don't think so. Nope. No ammunition on the ground, so what's that? Oh, that's probably the pencil I dropped. Good, good, good. Good, good, good on all of that. Let's not forget this. Are you stuck, boy? Let's keep the clothes here. I don't need them. Oh, I will take the hammer, though. Full again. I want my truck. I want my truck, not the SUV. That's a huge problem. That's the hammer I'm using right now. Whew, I was scared. I thought you were not my boy. Sorry. What can I put away? I mean, let's put the scissors away. Let's put the rock away. I mean, and why not the clay too? I don't need clay. I do need the components and the ammo though. Even if it's pistol ammo. Ammo is ammo. Bandages, they stack, so we're gonna take them, but I'm being more careful, so less pain. Wow, we have a lot of sewing kits. That's good. That's the back door. Oh wow. Okay. We're definitely gonna need to come back here with the pickup truck at one point. I don't care for chocolate bar. I don't even like chocolate bars in real life. Let's exchange our knife. Though, can we melt knives? Is that something I saw that is possible? Let's drop the clothing and bring the knife back. So I think I'm gonna head back home, guys, and I'll be back with you in just a moment. Back at base we are. So, quite a good run, I must say. We had a lot of components, scrap metal, and everything. We need to no, we want to store them. We need to make a quick work of our inventory management, which is pretty bad right now. A lot of ammunition here that we can all put right here. Not the shoddy ammo though. I had some rain, that's why you see that here. But I think all in all, that was a very nice run. I also had some infected, that's why you see that I have some searching my word, some of the electronic parts. So we're gonna put components right here so that we can make the gears we need to be able to have the jack. Can I put some more stuff in my inventory? Of course I can. A lot of cloth, which we don't need. We don't need at all. What about the pistolas? I think I'm gonna take all of the pistolas and just remove them. But my inventory is full yet again. Oh, good. Let's put all of the cloth here. Let's put that in the trash. I don't need that anymore in my life. Trash bin. Hi. Goodbye. I do need to put some matches into the fire. There we go. Do need some lighting here. I think all of the lighting options do take some electronic parts. Let's harvest this. I also wanted to see if we can harvest the knives or if we can melt them. Let's also harvest this one. There we go. Is it dark enough so that we will have some bad guys? Can we melt the knife? Oh, we can, but it gives us nothing. Maybe if I have two knives? Ooh, that's good. I think we're gonna have just enough in the morning to be able to make the gears. Alright, it's morning time. Still sick. Well, a lot of that is going to go bad. But first order of business, come here, boy. Eat that prime rabbit food. Prime rabbit meat. You're gonna love it. You're gonna cherish it. It's all cooked for you, boy. Wow. You do not like to eat that. I mean, almost didn't fill you up. There you go, boy. You're gonna have the three last pieces. Or definitely gonna have to go hunting in between episodes, that's for sure. We don't want you to starve, boy. I also keep forgetting that you can use the inventory of Leo when you don't have enough space anymore. Hi, Scott. Let's make 2 gears. Let's craft that ourselves because I don't trust Scott with the gears, even though he probably could do them. Oh, that's right. I forgot to eat myself. Let's drink a little bit. There we go. All filled up on the thirst. Probably should have eaten first before drinking. Where's that? Where's that? Right here. Almost looked like this here is a snail. I'm not sure. Or maybe a pasta shell? I don't know. I don't think I want to know. Okay, so now we have the 3 gears. What else do we need? 3 gears. We need 5 components, which we only have 2. We need 10 of those. And we need a tire, which I have plenty of. There we go. We need 6 more of you, I think. And well, let's just take a stack. And we're gonna have the car jack, guys. I'm gonna be able to flip the pickup truck. We're gonna have the truck again. Oh yes. Let's craft ourselves. Oh, that's gonna feel so good. And that's a mist. Good. I want a mist because I want to be able to have some electronic parts and waste some bullets. Hello! Oh, hi! Don't hit the head. I'm hitting your head. Really? No more bullets. Oop. Where's your head? There you go. Hi. There you go. That was a headshot. That was not. That was a shoulder shot. Crouchy, crouchy. Oh, I could loot. I had the ed box. Or did I? Potato. Potato, potato. Just gonna blow my nose. Oh. I saw someone running there. Scott, are you playing with friends? And you aren't inviting us? Oh, he's playing with a lot of friends. We're not even invited to the party. I think I'm gonna risk it. You ain't get nothing if you don't risk it. Scott? Are you alright? You won't be able to eat some faces from the inside, boy. Anybody else? If I shoot like that? Did I shoot my gate? Sure did. Oh, hi! Where are you? Oh, you're here. You're going through the SUV? Want a bullet to the head? Oh, and you brought a friend. I was mad about that. That was a headshot. That was a headshot. Only 3 bullets left though. Pills. Don't need the pills. Sugar. Well, I think that's gonna be it for that. There's still a body on the ground. You are not the one who hit it, boy. Scott actually just stood there and, yep, he did the job. Let's try this. Oh, that's gonna give us 1. Good. So this is a thing to remember. If you have knives and they are almost done, don't use them. Just bring them back to your forge and forge them up. You're gonna get some ingots. There you are. Poor truck. Do I still have all of my stuff in the back of the truck? Yes, I do. 3. Use the device on this car. Proceed. Please tell me that everything is going to be in the back of the truck. That's an issue. At least I can get them back out. Oh yes, all of them. Good, 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 good. I was worried there for a second. Okay, let's place you back inside the truck as best we can, which is not like that. Not too bad. Not too bad of a placement. Oh, you don't know how I missed you, truck. You cannot even begin to understand how much I missed you. Oh. Okay. Please go back. There. So how about the things inside? Oh, yes. Welcome back, Sledgy. Welcome back. And welcome back, truck. And now that we have the jack, we will never have to face this problem again. Okay, that was a slide. There we go. So I think that's gonna be it, guys, for this episode. I know it was a bit of a all over the place episode because we needed to get our truck back and we needed stuff to be able to make the jack. Probably that in between episode I'm gonna put all of the things I have on my hands, which are a few cinder blocks, a few concrete bags, and all of that good stuff inside here. I'm also gonna sort out all of that mess inside here. Boop, boop, woo. Well, let me just park it like that. I'm gonna do a front park. So yeah, and I'm probably just gonna sort all of the mess in between episodes, just not to bore you guys with that. I do hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, or subscribe. It is always very much appreciated from me, and it's free. So until next time, guys, please take care of yourselves, be safe, enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye.